What do you say to the people who are like, eating healthy is too expensive? That's not for me. I can't afford it.
I'm going to say that I started off really broke in all of this, so that's not an excuse, because you can find ways to eat healthy on a budget.
Skip a fucking meal. Eat a meal.
Start fasting. Fasting.
No, don't do that. That's bad. That's all bad too.
Fasting?
Fasting. You don't want to do all that all the time.
Let's break it down. Let me hear.
Fasting is just a temporary fix. And fasting, you basically starve yourself, right? So you can lose a little bit of weight, but then the moment you start eating again, you gain it all back. So, fasting. And it also, fasting, if you do that, the more you do that over time, it messes with your hormone levels. And your hormone levels also relate to you losing fat.
Fasting in what way? Because there's different...
In extreme ways. Like in extreme fasting, where people are like on 600 calorie diets and for days or months or whatever, weeks.
So the way I do it different. So I'll pretty much...
You do intermediate.
I do like more intermediate, like say like 10 to like 6, I'll eat my calories, but I still eat the stuff that I'm going to eat. Mm-hmm. But I just go like a period without... Because as you were saying, the carbs and everything... Yeah. Carbs for me slow me the fuck down.
Well, it depends on what kinds of carbs. Not all food is created equal. That's another thing. I'm
not eating donuts either. But like carbs, just like, and they're pretty healthy. I eat. So I try to eat more like whole foods. I don't eat like processed food, as much foods. So, but still, carbs in general slow me down.
What kind saying, though? There's good carbs and there's bad carbs. There's good fats and there's bad fats. Like
with most of my meal prep stuff that I do, it'll be like more just like vegetable stuff, like more.
Okay, so you use your vegetables as your carbs.
Yeah, I'm not eating. I'm not eating like.
He's not doing like rice or potatoes as much.
Okay.
Or like bread. I'm not just like slamming down a sub sandwich. Like I don't.
Yeah.
Most of my diet, I would say, calorie wise, comes from meat.
Okay.
And I mean that's just how. I'll be doing something. I just eat something.
So you're like a high protein diet, basically.
And I get like really. I just start feeling like you're saying when you're getting foggy. I mean, there's probably something else going on with me, but usually that when I eat, I'm just like when it's carbs. Yeah.
So it could be the amount that you're eating is too much because it's too much for you to digest at once. Because then you're getting tired, so your body's like trying to process all that food and digest it all, and it's taking you a while. Sometimes it can be the quality of the carbs. Like for me, actually, personally, red meat makes me feel like that. If I eat a lot of red meat, I feel tired. I feel like ready for a nap.
And I feel the other way around. For me, it's like like red meat. For me, it's just like I just drank like a Red Bull.
Yeah, but that could be just a you thing that you're aware of, and you know that about yourself, that your body just takes a lot longer to process that, and it makes you feel tired and slow. So same thing. Red meat, I just don't eat it as much anymore because I do know that it affects me in that way. My body just takes a long time to just process it, and I feel exhausted and tired.
That's a perfect point because like I'm saying what I feel better, and then so it's like everyone just wants that one like fix. Just give me the thing,
and that's the thing about like nutrition specifically. Everybody's body's different. Everybody processes food differently. Everybody has different needs. Everybody has different genetic makeup. There's so many factors that go into it that. Like, that's why when people try to lose weight, they're like, this is the one fix that'll make you drop 40 pounds like that. Not necessarily.
Eat a salad every day.
Yeah, I'm like, there's not a lot of usually truth in that because every single person's body is different.
The biggest, like hype thing that everyone's like, I'm going to do now. There's like keto, like you said, there's fasting. Like which is the main one that people want to, the fat,
I hate when people do restriction diets and they like just remove everything from their diets because then that doesn't help. Same kind of thing. If you're just eating like only protein and you remove all carbs, that's not.
You just crave it way more.
Yeah, but that's also not good for you. Your body needs carbohydrates are important for your body. Like you need them in your body for energy, for glucose, there's like hydration for, especially if you're doing strength training too, like you need that for recovery and for energy. So to completely cut it out. It's almost like
you're putting like a Band-Aid over the problem.
Right. And then again, same thing with those diets. If you restrict, remove all these things, when you put it back in and introduce it back into your diet, your gut is going to be angry with you. You're not going to be able to digest it well. You're just going to go back to where you were.